Namaste to all you cosmic souls and welcome to the introduction of your tarot workshop. Yes, there will be a short reading at the end of this video, so do stay tuned for that. Today I'm just going to be telling you about this tarot workshop, of all the information that you are going to receive out of this workshop and how it is going to help you not only for tarot but also for your individual self. First of all, this workshop is going to be a month long. Yes, 30 days. We're going to have class maybe 3 days a week. You will find the rest of the booking details in the description box down below. This workshop starts on April 17th. The timings have not yet been decided because I need to see what all time zones are going to be joining, and accordingly we will fix a time that fits everybody perfectly. Okay, so let's just get into this introduction. There's a lot of information that has been incorporated into this workshop as well. So what are you going to learn in this workshop? Obvious question. What is tarot? That is one of the first things that you are going to learn. But most importantly, before we even move to the part of tarot, we're going to learn how to tap into your intuition. Tapping into your intuition. How to differentiate whether your intuition or gut instinct is guiding you, or is it your mind that is influencing your movements and your actions and your thoughts. So where is all of it coming from? How to use and build your intuition, how to build sensitivity to receive the energies from your cards, but at the same time protect yourself so that you don't indulge too much into it, so that it doesn't drain you out, as people say. Now, what will you get out of this workshop and why should you join? You will be able to understand yourself better. You will learn how to integrate, organize, and understand your thought process in a much better manner. Tapping into your inner wisdom, tapping into your inner knowing, your inner knowledge, and your higher self. You will learn a brief about what tarot is and where it comes from. We can always dive deeper into it if the participants are willing to do so or are hungry for information. I'm always hungry for information, so I keep studying about these things. So if you are equally interested in learning about it, I would love to share all the knowledge and information that I have received in the past 5 to 6 years of my tarot practice. You will receive notes on each card, the meanings of each card. But this will only come maybe at the center or towards the end of the workshop, because I want you all to make your own notes according to the teaching process that has been made. And then my meanings will be shared to you so that you have your own open perception about what you feel, about how you think, and you're not influenced by my meanings at all. Of course, the traditional meanings are there, but how do you intuitively tap into each card? That is a process that will be taught to you. Whether you choose to receive it or not is completely your choice. You always have that choice. You will also receive these shortcuts or short meanings for each card and certain processes where you can just immediately refer to okay, this card, this is what it means. And you will also know that the tower doesn't always mean something bad is about to happen. Sometimes it can just mean that you're moving through a certain phase and there is actually a lot of positivity in the card. So these deeper meanings will only come when your intuition is tapped into, which is why it is the most important thing in this tarot workshop. You will also learn the connection between crystals and tarot, how you can use crystals to heighten your intuition and also deepen the meaning within the tarot cards. You will learn how to use tarot to guide yourself whenever you are in doubt, whenever you feel like you need that extra guidance, how to pick a card for yourself and read for yourself. You will also learn how to use the card as a manifestation tool. Up until now, everybody thought it was just a divination tool where you use the tarot card for divination and interpreting certain meanings, interpreting what's going to happen. Are tarot cards a divination tool for the future, or do they just give you guidance? What are oracle cards then? All of this will be covered in the workshop. You will learn how to read tarot for others as well and how to create a business out of it if that's what you're looking to do. A lot of people like to have tarot cards just for themselves, and sometimes maybe if others require or ask them for the guidance, you give that guidance to them. I am here to share my knowledge and everything that I have learned and pass it on to you guys. Teaching is one of my passions, so this is something that I am extremely passionate about, and I really am just waiting to pass this on to you guys. As you can see, there are tears in my eyes, so I'm really happy about it. How much to charge for tarot sessions? How much is too less? How much is too much? When am I ready to charge this certain amount? That will be covered too. You will learn different tarot spells, and there will also be a bonus where you will learn certain switch phrases and certain frequency of numbers that you can bring in and integrate with your tarot cards. Read them together to create a more strong base, not only for yourself, but also for others. Cleo is here to say hello. Now coming to your tarot reading. You will also learn how to shuffle your cards, different methods of shuffling your cards along with your different tarot spreads. Now, every tarot reader has a different way of shuffling. If you watch a lot of tarot videos, you would know that every tarot reader has their own special way of reading. So, what's your special way? That's for you to find. I can teach you how to read the cards. I can teach you how to shuffle the cards. But how you make that yours is completely up to you. Put a little bit of your magic into your tarot reading. Now let's read your cards. So we have the Seven of Swords reversed. You will also learn reversals. You can choose to read them or not. A lot of you are moving away from something. A lot of you are releasing something or thinking of leaving something behind. You're a bit worried about how will this affect the people around me? Or like, is this the right choice for me to make? You know? It's like you're just finished a couple of responsibilities, you're just finished a couple of things that you had to chalk off your to-do list, and now you're thinking about, now what? And exactly how I say it with that emotion, now what? What do I do now? You're so tired. Why are you so tired? Because you're thinking about how it is going to affect everybody else. And right now, I want you to focus on how it is going to affect you. Stop for a second and think, how is this going to affect you? How exactly are you going to benefit from this change? How exactly are you going to move forward from the things that you have learned through this process, through this transformational change? After you've completed all your work, you're coming back home. Now your thoughts are extremely occupied. Maybe your energy is extremely low. Maybe you're feeling like crying. Maybe you're feeling like laughing, but you don't know why. Maybe you're going crazy, but it's not that you're going crazy. It's just some kind of new opportunities are coming towards you. And this certain trigger that you are currently going through, it's especially with the mind and the heart space, you know, that single channel which I've spoken about in a lot of my readings or mostly recent readings, that connection is being established in a much stronger way. So whatever your heart is feeling, your mind is being amplified by it, and you're trying to understand the connection. You're trying to decipher, what is my heart saying, what is my mind saying. Now, what is the guidance for this reading? What do you need to do to overcome this overwhelming emotion? Nothing. Do nothing. Just be the observer of your emotions. Just take a step outside yourself and look at yourself from afar. What's happening? What's going on? Am I okay? Is everything around me okay? No. Am I okay? Am I feeling good? How am I feeling today? Observe. Don't have to do anything about it. Just sit and observe. Thank you so much for sharing your energy with me today and actually watching this video. I really hope that this interests you as much as it interests me. Do check the link in the description box down below for more information on how to book. If in case you're not able to understand completely, you can always leave me a message on WhatsApp, or you can always email me as well. You can DM me on Instagram, but I would prefer if you WhatsApped or emailed. Alright, thank you so much again for being here. Lots of love and lots of light. Namaste.